Introduction. Fasting, not a famine. Many people think that fasting is about starving yourself. This couldn't be further from the truth. Intermittent fasting is a pattern of eating where you cycle between periods of eating and voluntary fasting on a regular schedule. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. Think of it like this. Our ancestors didn't have supermarkets or refrigerators. They evolved to survive periods of feast and famine. Intermittent fasting taps into this ancient wisdom, providing surprising benefits for both our physical and mental well-being. Fasting is not a new fad diet. It's a practice that's been around for centuries, embedded in various cultures and religions. From a scientific perspective, it's a powerful tool that can unlock your body's true potential. This essay will delve into the surprising truths about intermittent fasting, exploring its benefits, challenges, and scientific underpinnings. We'll also touch upon the spiritual aspect of fasting, drawing wisdom from ancient scriptures. So buckle up and get ready to discover the transformative power of intermittent fasting. Benefit 1. Weight loss beyond calories. Let's face it, weight loss is often the main reason people turn to intermittent fasting. And it works. But not just by reducing calorie intake. Intermittent fasting helps you lose weight by regulating your hormones, specifically insulin. When you eat, insulin levels rise, signaling your body to store fat. When you fast, insulin levels drop, allowing your body to access and burn stored fat for energy. This hormonal shift is key. It moves beyond the simplistic calories in, calories out model. Intermittent fasting promotes a metabolic switch that favors fat burning. It's like flipping a switch from storing fat to burning fat. Moreover, intermittent fasting helps reduce hunger pangs. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, it prevents the dramatic spikes and crashes that leave you craving sugary snacks. You'll find yourself feeling fuller for longer, making it easier to stick to your eating schedule. Benefit 2. Turning back the clock on aging. Who wouldn't want to age gracefully and maintain vitality? Intermittent fasting offers a promising path to longevity, acting as a powerful anti-aging tool. Fasting triggers a process called autophagy. Think of it as your body's internal cleaning crew. During autophagy, your cells break down and recycle damaged components, improving cellular function and promoting renewal. It's like giving your body a spring cleaning at a cellular level. This cellular rejuvenation has wide-ranging benefits. Studies show that intermittent fasting can improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and even protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. It's about promoting health span, not just lifespan, so you can enjoy your golden years to the fullest. Moreover, intermittent fasting can boost your energy levels. By improving mitochondrial function, the powerhouses of your cells, it enhances energy production. You'll feel more energized and less sluggish, ready to tackle the day with renewed vigor. Benefit 3. A sharper, more focused mind. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining mental clarity and focus is essential. Intermittent fasting offers a natural way to sharpen your mind, improving cognitive function and protecting your brain. Fasting promotes the growth of new brain cells, a process called neurogenesis. This enhances cognitive flexibility, learning, and memory. It's like giving your brain a workout, helping it stay sharp and agile. Furthermore, intermittent fasting reduces inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. This protective effect can lower the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. It's about safeguarding your mental well-being for the long term. And let's not forget the boost in mental clarity. Many people who practice intermittent fasting report feeling more alert, focused, and productive during their fasting windows. It's like clearing away the mental fog, allowing your mind to operate at its best. A patient's transformation, a fasting testimony. As an intermittent faster, I've witnessed firsthand the transformative power of the practice. One friend's story, in particular, stands out. Sarah is 52 years old and was struggling with obesity, type 2 diabetes, and high blood pressure. She was on a cocktail of medications, but her health continued to decline. I introduced Sarah to intermittent fasting, starting with a simple 16-8 protocol. She was hesitant at first, but her desperation for change outweighed her fear. Within weeks, Sarah experienced dramatic improvements. She started losing weight, her blood sugar levels stabilized, and her blood pressure dropped. But the most remarkable change was in her spirit. Sarah rediscovered a zest for life that she hadn't felt in years. She was more energetic, her mood lifted, and she even started taking walks in the park, a feat she once thought impossible. Sarah's story is a powerful testament to the transformative power of intermittent fasting. It's not just about weight loss, it's about reclaiming your health, regaining your vitality, and rediscovering the joy of living. Biblical wisdom, a time to feast, a time to fast. The concept of fasting is deeply rooted in spirituality, with numerous references found in religious texts. In the Bible, fasting is often associated with prayer, repentance, and seeking spiritual renewal. Ecclesiastes 3:1 reminds us there is a time for everything, and a season for every activity under the heavens. This verse beautifully encapsulates the cyclical nature of life, including the balance between feasting and fasting. Fasting is not just about abstaining from food. It's about abstaining from worldly distractions and focusing on spiritual growth. It's a time for introspection, for connecting with a higher power, and for strengthening one's faith. The Bible also highlights the importance of self-discipline, which is closely tied to the practice of fasting. Proverbs 25:28 states, "Like a city whose walls are broken through is a person who lacks self-control." Fasting, by its very nature, requires self-control, strengthening our resolve and helping us resist temptations. While intermittent fasting offers numerous benefits, it's essential to acknowledge the potential challenges. Like any lifestyle change, it requires adaptation and a willingness to embrace new habits. One common challenge is hunger pangs, especially during the initial stages of fasting. Your body is accustomed to regular meals, so it takes time to adjust to the new eating pattern. However, as your body adapts, these hunger pangs will subside. Another challenge is social pressure. In a society that revolves around food, it can be challenging to navigate social situations that involve eating. It's important to communicate your fasting schedule to friends and family, seeking their understanding and support. Moreover, certain individuals may need to be cautious with intermittent fasting. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, people with eating disorders, and those with specific medical conditions should consult with their healthcare provider before embarking on a fasting regimen. The benefits of intermittent fasting are not just anecdotal, they're backed by a growing body of scientific evidence. Researchers are unraveling the intricate mechanisms through which fasting impacts our bodies at a cellular level. One key mechanism is the reduction in insulin levels. As mentioned earlier, lower insulin levels promote fat burning and improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Another important mechanism is the activation of autophagy. This cellular cleaning process removes damaged components, improving cellular function and promoting longevity. It's like giving your cells a much-needed detox. Furthermore, intermittent fasting stimulates the production of ketones. Ketones are an alternative fuel source that your body produces when glucose is scarce. They provide numerous benefits, including improved cognitive function and neuroprotection. Intermittent fasting is more than just a weight loss tool. It's a lifestyle choice that can transform your physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Here are some key takeaways to remember. 1. Find a fasting protocol that works for you. There are various intermittent fasting methods, such as the 16-8 method, the 5-2 diet, and alternate day fasting. Experiment and choose a protocol that fits your lifestyle and preferences. 2. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to fasting. Adjust your fasting schedule as needed, and don't hesitate to break a fast if you experience any adverse effects. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is crucial during fasting windows. It helps curb hunger, flushes out toxins, and keeps your body functioning optimally. 4. Be patient and consistent. The benefits of intermittent fasting take time to manifest. Stay committed to your chosen protocol, and you'll reap the rewards over time. Intermittent fasting is a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing a lifestyle that honors your body's natural rhythms and unlocks its true potential. As you embark on this journey, remember the wise words of Buddha. To keep the body in good health is a duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our minds strong and clear. By incorporating intermittent fasting into your life, you're not just choosing a diet. You're choosing a path towards a healthier, more vibrant you. So, take a deep breath, embrace the challenge, and embark on this transformative journey towards optimal well-being. Until next time.